Hello, today I will tell you about our new product. This is Mercedes lowering device for the lowering Mercedes with aromatic suspension. So a device is that small. I mean, it just plugged to the OBD, no wires, nothing. And it is possible to choose between the three presets. The factory, which is normal, like car comes from factory. Low is minus 32 millimeters near 1.5 inches, and a custom. The benefits. You do not need any laptops, wires, computers. You don't need to cut anything. So just that plug, and you will operate by the trackpad and the command screen. Now we're gonna show you how it works. So currently I will plug it to the OBD diagnostic, and then you see there is a presets here. So to switch between the presets, I will swipe left, right, and now I'm gonna show. So swipe factory. Now it's low. Now it's custom. So in order to apply that, you just need to tap to the back symbol. So and it will confirm it at the screen. So now I'm tapping now. You see, saving mode. Now I swipe to the right, low, and tap again. You see, low is very fast. And a custom mode, I can swipe again, and I tap it, and custom mode. It's very fast. So so now finally it's a custom is done. So I can plug it out. Few words about the custom mode. So if I swipe up, I can change the custom settings. So I swipe and I tap back, and you see now I can change the value. So now it's both front and rear minus 55 millimeters. Okay, I will change it to the again. I'm swiping up. I'm changing to the 50 just to show you how it works, and then 50 at the rear, and then I tap in back symbol again. So save, and currently it will permanently custom mode will be minus 50. So that's all settings. So it's all done. So now we're gonna show you how fast you can change this. So currently I have it here in my hand, and let's try to change it to the factory. So again, I plug it, and then swipe right once, factory, then tap mode, and voila, it's that fast. And most important, that you totally do not need any wires. So it works very fast. You just store it at here, and anytime you can change the suspension altitude. Well, this is how to set up. Next I will show you how the car looks like from outside. Well, this is the same E43AMG. You see, more than one. And this is how it looks like with the minus 55 millimeters. You see? And you can drive with it totally no problem. For the people who need it even lower, you can change the tires to the non-standard one with lower values, and it can be even lower. So this is how it works. Here is we change to the normal, and now currently it moves. You see, it starts moving. It's not that fast with aromatic, but actually it is more or less now at the factory settings. So it's plus, you see, even higher now. Yeah, now it is factory. You can imagine how it looks like with factory. Well, handmade device, very small, and you can do it whatever you want. Hope you like it. Waiting for orders. Thanks.